Well, what is it, Miracle? Hello, Miracles. Yes. You like it up there? Okay, we're done with that. Which way are we going? Okay, let's go this way then. I hear a woodpecker. Come on. I let him lead the way, but sometimes it goes places it's easier for him than it is for me. What is it, Miracle? Let's go back this way, Miracle. This is just too thick up in here. I know you want to go that way, but... Oh, look! No. A hickory nut! Look at it. There's another one. Got another one. They look green. Don't know if they fell off. There's Miracle. Too cute. Too cute. What's cuter than Miracle? Right there. Come on. There's a lot of hickory nuts out here. Huh. No, don't. Let's not do that. Let's keep it moving. Come on. I know you want to go that way, but let's go home. We've only been out here for a while. It's getting hot. Let's go home, Miracles.